BlackRock Bitcoin Spot ETF trading volume outperformed last year's 500 ETFs, combined. Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seifert released data early Wednesday morning showing that the total trading volume of the U.S. Bitcoin Spot ETF in the first 3 days of listing was close to $10 billion. He wrote, "By most standards, these have been very successful launches. The only caveat is that the WisdomTree ETF product has just $3.25 million in assets under management, but this is only day 3, and this is a long game." Another Bloomberg analyst, Eric Balchunas, later also shared impressive data. He said that among the 500 new ETFs launched in 2023, many have been listed for several months, and today their total trading volume is $450 million. The best performing one was $45 milli. However, the trading volume of BlackRock Bitcoin Spot ETF, IBIT, so far has exceeded the sum of these 500 ETFs. Eric mentioned, half of the current 500 new ETFs have a trading volume of less than $1 million, and it is difficult to obtain transactions. Volume, even harder than flow, is harder than assets. Because volume has to be formed naturally in the market and can't really be faked, it gives ETF staying power. Although the negative premium of a large number of GBTC has disappeared and grayscale management fees are high, it is speculated that a large number of users have decided to take profits. There has been a net outflow of $579 million in recent days. However, offset by the other 10 ETFs, the net inflow of funds still exceeded $800 million. USDT's shallow decoupling market is over. Big signal, reserves are enough to anchor the US dollar. Tether, which has approximately $86 billion in assets as of the end of June 2023, plans to support its approximately $83 billion USDT stablecoin. Despite repeated emphasis on corporate transparency, investors are still concerned about the whereabouts and amount of Tether's reserves. A lack of transparency in the past has resulted in various legal challenges and fines, further fueling skepticism about the company's claims. Stablecoins like USDT are crucial in the cryptocurrency market, providing a less volatile alternative to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, providing a stable asset pegged to traditional currencies. To dispel doubts, Tether's independent auditors regularly provide certifications to verify reserve holdings, disclosing the composition of its reserves, which are not limited to US dollars, but also include assets such as commercial paper and secured loans, as well as reducing the share of riskier assets such as commercial paper holdings and move to more liquid options such as US Treasury bills. Cantor Fitzgerald CEO Howard Lutnick spoke to Bloomberg on Tuesday at the World Economic Forum in Davos, stressing that the numbers were real and could dispel doubts surrounding stablecoin reserves. He emphasized, "There is always a lot of discussion about whether they have it or not. I am with you, and I tell you, we have seen it and they have done it." He added that the existence of the Tether reserve was confirmed after a thorough inspection. The company serves as the custodian of Tether's assets and plays a key role in managing a significant portion of these assets. After the news came out, USDT/USD stablecoin/USD fiat currency got rid of the recent panic of shallow decoupling and returned to the one level. Bitcoin technical analysis. CM Trade said that the Bitcoin RSI is above 50 and the MACD is above the signal line and positive. Furthermore, the price is above the 20 and 50 period moving averages at $43,017 and $42,847 respectively. Our pivot point is at $42,500 and our preference is that as long as $42,500 serves as support, upside prevails. Another scenario is below $42,500, with a test of $41,760 and $41,320 expected.